Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Tutor channel. In today's episode of our Artificial Intelligence for Cybersecurity Students series, we're covering one of the hottest technologies in AI right now, RAG, which stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This technology is being used in AI assistance cybersecurity copilots, enterprise AI systems, threat intelligence platforms. Today we'll learn what RAG is, how it works, its cybersecurity impact, and why cybersecurity students should understand it. Let's make it simple. What is RAG? RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, is an AI architecture that combines one retrieval systems, searching for information, two generative AI models, arrow-generating responses. In simple terms, instead of relying only on what the AI already knows, RAG allows the AI to search external data sources first, then generate a smarter and more accurate answer. How RAG works, simple mechanism. One user sends a question. Example, what are the latest ransomware threats? Two retrieval system searches. Data. The RAG system searches documents, databases, PDFs, threat intelligence feeds, company knowledge bases. Three, relevant information is retrieved. The system selects the most relevant information related to the question. 4, AI generates the response. The AI model uses the retrieved data to generate a contextual answer. This makes responses more accurate, more updated, more context-aware. Why RAG is important in AI. Normal AI models may hallucinate information, give outdated answers, lack company-specific knowledge. RAG solves this by giving AI access to real-time or private data. RAG in cybersecurity. RAG is becoming very important in cybersecurity systems. Threat intelligence AI can retrieve malware reports, attack indicators, vulnerability databases, and generate security insights instantly. SOC and security analysis. Security analysts can ask, show recent phishing indicators. The AI retrieves logs and security data automatically. Security knowledge assistance organizations use RAG to create internal cybersecurity copilots that search policies, incident reports, security documentation, faster, incident response. RAG systems help teams investigate alerts faster, summarize threats, automate analysis, where cybersecurity risks of RAG. Like any AI technology, RAG also introduces risks. Prompt injection attacks. Attackers may manipulate retrieved content to influence the AI response. Data poisoning. Malicious data inserted into the knowledge base can mislead the AI. Sensitive data exposure. If access controls are weak, AI may retrieve confidential information. Trust issues. AI might retrieve incorrect or malicious sources. Securing RAG systems. To secure RAG architectures, validate retrieved data, use strong access controls, monitor AI outputs, protect vector databases, filter malicious prompts, log and audit retrieval activity. Why cybersecurity students must learn. RAG. Understanding. RAG helps you understand modern AI security systems, build AI-powered cybersecurity tools, analyze AI attack surfaces, prepare for AI security careers. Understand the future of SOC automation. RAG is becoming foundational in AI security, cloud security, enterprise automation, real-world relevance. Many modern AI systems use RAG, including AI assistants, enterprise copilots, cybersecurity automation tools, knowledge retrieval systems. This technology is rapidly shaping the future of cybersecurity operations. RAG combines the power of search and generative AI to create smarter cybersecurity systems. But with that power comes new security risks that defenders must understand. As a cybersecurity student, learning RAG now puts you ahead of the curve in AI security. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and let me know what AI or cybersecurity topic you want next. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next video.